Is your iPhone personal hotspot grayed out? If you find your iPhone personal hotspot is grayed out, you can turn on your hotspot then. Please follow these 4 troubleshooting guides to solve your problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off the iPhone restriction. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Solution 2. Change network selection. Open Setting, tap Mobile or Cellular Data. Tap Network Selection, turn this off, select your SIM name. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Restart the hotspot network. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Settings. After following all the process, if you have a problem, you need to talk to your SIM internet provider or Apple support for further assistance. If you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.